Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Gyanam Khanna. Today we start our English vocabulary part 4. First sentence is courage. The meaning of courage is हिम्मत. किसी भी चीज पर हिम्मत करना, courage करना किसी चीज ले. She showed great courage during the emergency. Is the key meaning होया the ability to face fear or danger bravely. Synonym is bravery, boldness, and antonym is fear, cowardice. Next sentence is curiosity. The meaning of curiosity is उत्सुकता, किसी भी चीज में उत्सुकता आनी. A strong desire to know or learn something. Sentence is curiosity helps students learn new things. Synonym is interest, eagerness, and antonym is indifference, boredom. Next sentence is confidence. The meaning of confidence is bharosa. His confidence improved after practice, meaning believe in oneself or one's abilities. Synonym is self-belief, assurance. Antonym is doubt, insecurity. Next sentence is care. She treats animal with care. केयर का मतलब क्या होता है? देखभाल, किसी भी चीज की देखभाल करना. मीनिंग शी ट्रीट्स एनिमल विद केयर, वो की एनिमल दी केयर कर दिया बहुत ज्यादा. मीनिंग अटेंशन एंड कंसर्न फ्रॉम अदर. Part of speech which synonym is concern and kindness. Next, antonym is neglect, carelessness. Next sentence is creativity. The meaning of creativity रचनात्मक कोई चीज का creativity अपने आप ही जिਵੇਂ मन तो होना. Important art and science. Creativity is important any field. Sentence is creativity is important in art and science, meaning the ability to create new ideas. Creativity ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਨਾਲ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ creativity. Synonym is imaginations, originality, and antonym is dullness, lack of ideas. Next sentence is calm. Sentence he stayed calm during the storm. Calm ਦਾ meaning क्या ਹੁੰਦਾ है? बिल्कुल शांति नाल. ठीक है, a peaceful and quiet state. Synonym is peace, stillness, and antonym is anger, chaos. Next sentence is challenge. Challenge का मतलब क्या होता है? किसी भी चीज दी challenge करना कि तू कर सकता है कि नहीं. A difficult task देना किसी ਨੂੰ, that needs effort, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ effort ਲੱਗੇ. The test was a real challenge for her. मतलब कि ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟੈਸਟ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ great challenge ਸੀਗਾ. Synonym is difficulty, trial, and antonym is ease, simplicity. Next sentence is choice. कोई भी चीज ਦੀ ਕੀ ਆਪਾਂ choice ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ? ਚੋਣ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, the act of selecting something. Sentence you always have a choice to do the right things. मतलब कि ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ choice ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਸਹੀ ਰਸਤਾ ਹੈ. Synonym is option, selections. Antonym is compulsion, necessity. Next sentence is community. Community ਦਾ मतलब क्या ਹੁੰਦਾ? ਭਾਈਚਾਰਾ, a group of people living or working together, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. Sentence is the community work together to clean the park. Next synonym is society, group. Antonym is isolations, separations. Tense sentence है, 4 option correct answers marked. ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ 10 sentences ਲਿਆ, ਪਰ ਇੱਕ sentence ਮੈਂ ਛੱਡਾਂਗੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, she showed great during the emergency. First sentence है, she showed great courage during the emergency. What does courage mean? ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ courage ਦਾ ਕੀ meaning ਹੋਏਗਾ? Fear, bravery, weakness ਕਿ sadness? ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ? सही आंसर इज bravery. Next sentence is curiosity. Curiosity helps students learn new things. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ curiosity ਦਾ ਕੀ मतलब ਹੋਏਗਾ? Anger, laziness, desire to learn. fear. Correct option is C. Desire to learn. His confidence improved. Next sentence, his confidence improved after practice. Practice. Which word is synonym of confidence? Doubt, fear, assurance, ki worry. Correct answer is C. Next sentence, she treats animal with care. What is an antonym of care? ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ antonym ਕੀ ਹੈ? Kindness, concern, attention ki neglect. Correct option is neglect. Creativity is important in art and science. What does creativity refer to? First option is memory, imagination, rules, ki noise. Correct option is imaginations. Next sentence is he stayed calm during the storm. Which word mean the opposite of calm? Peace, stillness, anger, ki rest. Correct option is anger. Next sentence, the test was a real challenge for her. What is a challenge? An easy task, a reward, a difficult task, a game. Correct option is a difficult task. You always have a choice to do right thing. Which word is synonym of choice? Choice ਦਾ synonym. Choice ਦਾ synonym ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? ਇਸ ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਦ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਚੋਇਸ ਦਾ ਸਿਨੋਨੀਅਮ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਫੋਰਸ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਰੂਲ ਕਿ ਆਰਡਰ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਦ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਵਰਕ ਟੁਗੇਦਰ ਟੂ ਕਲੀਨ ਦ ਪਾਰਕ। ਵਾਟ ਡਸ ਦ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਮੀਨ? ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੇ ਸਹੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੈਪਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ one person, a group of people, a building, a rule. Okay, thank you.